Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT P50, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first we should launch the Google application, and after that we should tap on the right upper corner, then click to the settings section and tap to voice, then click to the voice match. And to activate Hey Google feature, we should click once on the swatcher and then tap to next on the right down corner, read the description and click yes, I agree, then tap to continue. And now Hey Google feature is activated, but we should add our voice model just to Assistant to recognize our voice. So that's why tap to retain your voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And after that, tap to finish on the right down corner. And now when we'll say Hey Google or Okay Google, we can see that this option is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.